Hello Radiant, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to perfectly straighten your wig after washing. If you want to achieve a sleek, salon quality finish at home, then keep on watching. The first step is to spray heat protectant all over the hair. This is very important because it helps protect your hair from heat damage while keeping it smooth and healthy. Next, I begin blow drying the wig. When blow drying, ladies, always make sure your blow dryer is facing downwards as you comb through the hair. Your blow dryer and your comb should work together. While you are combing down the hair, the blow dryer should follow closely behind. These techniques help you to smoothen your hair and reduce frizz. Ladies, the method I'm sharing with you today will completely transform your wig game and help you make your old wig look brand new again. Once I'm done blow drying, the next step is to flatten the closure. To do this, apply a wax stick over the closure. Then use your hot comb to gently comb the hair backwards. This helps flatten the top of your closure, giving it a neat and natural look finish. Here I'm creating a center part for the wig. Once I'm happy with the pattern, I apply another layer of wax stick before using my hot comb to flatten the hair. Remember ladies, the hottest part of your hot comb is at the back. So as you comb the hair down, gently press the back of your hot comb against the hair. This is the secret to achieving a super flat professional looking closure. For the front hairline, again I will apply another layer of wax stick. Then I will use my hot comb to comb the hair upwards, just as I'm demonstrating in the video. I always use my hand also as a support while lifting the hair and combing through the length. This technique creates a beautiful, natural looking hairline when you wear your wig. The same technique involves and also repeating at the other side. Comb your hair upward with your hot comb, then use your hand to support while lifting the hair and combing through the length. The next thing you see me demonstrating here is using the back of my hot comb to press the hair backwards. Remember ladies, I told you the hottest part of your hot comb is at the back, so ensure you always make use of that part when you are flattening your closure. To keep the front hairline in place while I work on the rest of the wig, I will secure it with a hairband. And remember, your hairband also needs to be secured with a T-pin. Next, I use my hair brush with a little of hair gel to tidy up the center part. This is just to ensure a cleaner and a more design finish look. Now it's time to straighten the hair. My technique is to always divide my hair into 2 sections. Then pack the rest away, after which I will take a smaller horizontal layer from the back. Sectioning the hair makes the process more easier and ensure that every strand is properly straightened. Here is how I straighten the hair for better results. First, comb the section, turn your comb upward, place the hair on it, then your straightener should be directly behind your comb and gently run both down. Repeat this method once or twice until the section is completely smooth. This comb chase method gives a sleek, shiny look. Continue this same technique throughout the wig until you reach the closure area. Turn your comb upward and place the hair on it. Then place your straightener directly behind the comb and run both down slowly. Once I get to the closure, I repeat the same straightening method. After straightening each section, I apply a little wax stick and use my hot comb to flatten the hair. I also keep the hairband in place over the front hairline because we want the frontal to stay as flat as possible. I continue working section by section, straightening, applying wax stick and flattening with the hot comb until both sides of the closure are complete. If you have watched up until this stage, I want to say a big thank you and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you are living in the UK and you did like me to professionally revamp your old wig for you, leave a comment below or check the description box for my contact details. Thank you so much and I really appreciate your support. Also ladies, you remember our ritual in this community. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another upload. Thank you once again for doing that for me. Now that I am done straightening and flattening the closure, I will go ahead and spray my hair with my organ oil hairspray. To do this, I stand far away from the wig. Ensure you stand far away when spraying your wig. Do not spray directly on your wig. And here we have the final look, ladies. What an amazing transformation. This is how the wig looks before I started revamping it. And now my client wigs look absolutely brand new. Thank you so much for watching once again, ladies. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.